Ready to unlock your dream career at Goldman Sachs? Let's dive straight into crafting an application that grabs their attention. First, head to the Goldman Sachs Careers website. You can easily find this by searching Goldman Sachs Careers on Google or typing Careers Goldman Sachs into your browser. Once you're on the Careers page, click on the Search Jobs button to explore available positions. Use the search filters to narrow down roles that align with your skills and interests. Carefully review the job description of the role you're interested in. Pay close attention to the required skills, experience, and responsibilities. This will help you tailor your application effectively. Click the Apply Now button to start your application. You'll likely be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. The first section typically asks for personal information like your name, contact details, and address. Ensure all information is accurate and up-to-date. Next, you'll need to fill out your education and work experience. For education, list your degrees, majors, and graduation dates. For work experience, provide details about your previous roles, including job titles, responsibilities, and accomplishments. Use action verbs to describe your achievements and quantify your impact whenever possible. The skills section is crucial. Highlight relevant technical and soft skills that match the job requirements. Be honest and provide specific examples to demonstrate your proficiency. Upload your resume and cover letter. Tailor your resume to match the job description, highlighting relevant experiences and skills in your cover letter. Express your interest in the role and explain why you are a good fit for Goldman Sachs. Complete the diversity and inclusion section. This information helps Goldman Sachs create a more inclusive workplace. Your responses are confidential and will not affect your application. Finally, review your entire application before submitting. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email acknowledging your submission. Good luck.